So the state of Wisconsin has become one of the swingingest of swing states, right? Back and forth it goes for national and for statewide races. Donald Trump swiped it back en route to his big win this past November. And for the first time since then, Badger State voters are going to be going to the polls to determine whether liberals in black robes will be able to control their highest court or if it flips to conservatives. Susan Crawford is the leftist running against Donald Trump and Elon Musk. At least that's what it seems like. Brad Schimel, he is the GOP candidate, and he joins us now. So, Judge, you've been a county district attorney, the state's attorney generals. The polls have it dead even. But explain to people in the 49 other states why this race is so important.
Well, frankly, I could do a lot of math that would stretch it over a long time, but there's one easy way to point to it. My opponent got caught. The New York Times got the email where she went on a Zoom call, and the invitees were national billionaire donors who can't, liberals, of course. And the offer was get her on the Wisconsin Supreme Court, and they will change 2 Republican congressional seats into Democrat congressional seats. That's what has made this such a nationalized race, because they're not looking to just influence Wisconsin. They're looking to influence the whole nation.
Well, when you have a 1 or 2 seat majority in the House, that 1 or 2 seat could make the biggest difference in the money is pouring into this race, right? I think there's about $60 million so far in a statewide judicial race. You do have a lot of money on both sides, and apparently Elon Musk is putting money in, probably George Soros on their side. Does it kind of cloud what this race is, or is it one to watch for everybody, and the significance is going to play out?
You know, the money has come in huge for both sides. I mean, my opponent has now spent $20 million on television in a state court race in Wisconsin. And by the way, this is the most expensive court race in American history. And she spent it, and she hasn't said a single truthful thing. Every ad she runs is a complete lie. They're trying to deceive the people of Wisconsin. And they always, like liberals always do, they run like they're a moderate. They run like they're a centrist. I'm nothing to be afraid of here. I'm just going to follow the law. Her history tells us otherwise. When she ran just for the Dane County Circuit Court, where Madison is, our most liberal county by far in Wisconsin, when she ran for the court there, she bragged about being the lawyer who tried to get our voter ID law struck down, about being the lawyer who tried to strike down it's called Act 10. It's a law that was passed to put some limitations on how public employee unions can bargain against. Go ahead.
No, I mean, you're hitting on, I mean, there are local issues, yes, but they affect, if you change the election laws in Wisconsin, you affect the congressional, the Senate, and the presidential race coming up.
Absolutely. So if they take away voter ID, then we don't have voter integrity in Wisconsin.